educators, welcome back to Student Alliance Community. Now, my name is Shahrukh, and what we're going to talk about is a very simple factor. So, earlier in the videos, you've seen how you can connect your panel and how you can control it directly here. So, we are going to do a reverse version where you will be controlling the panel using your laptop. Now, how that is done is very simple. Just go onto the ByteLab application. The link of the description is already given. Here, click on Desktop Sync. Accept. As soon as the accept is done, from here you can connect just make sure your touch authorization is on, authorize it, and from the laptop you can open your application directly. So if you see, I'm not touching here, but still I'm able to control. In case I want to use a pencil, I want to write something, I want to change the color. You see, the simulation is quite faster, and I'll be able to erase or do any of the operations using my laptop directly. Hope that helps you. Thank you so much.